Topic Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. My favorite teacher name is Nurse Teacher. I miss you so much. My teacher is very beautiful. My teacher is very kind. My teacher is very good teaching. I miss you. I love you, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Teacher, my name is Muntasha Akbar Sayyad. I study in senior KG. My school name is Tina Nagar MPS. My teacher name is Nas Teacher. Respected teacher, in all my dear friends, today I am going to give a speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5 September. A teacher teacher. I love you, teacher. I miss you, teacher. Guru Varma, Guru Vishnu, Gurudev Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Namaha, Gurudev Namaha. Bye bye, teacher. I love you. Hi teacher, good afternoon. I am Nandini Chaudhary. My teacher, math teacher. My school name is Tilak Nagar MPS. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. And IQ, you love me too. And IQ, you love me too. I too. You are so kind. You are so nice. And you are had to teach me something new. So I want to say thank you. So I want to say thank you. So thank you. I want to say thank you. I love you, teacher. Bye, teacher. Hello, teacher. My name is Amata. My setting Senior KG. My school Miss Tekanagar MPS. I miss you, nice teacher. I am your student. You are my teacher. My best teacher. I enjoy everybody.
Okay. Happy Teachers.
Happy Teachers Day! Bye. Math teacher. What is the full form of teacher? The full form of teacher is T means thank Maths teacher, this song for you on Teachers Day. तेरा हंसना भी जन्नत है, तेरा तावीज़ जन्नत है, वो जन्नत है, तेरा मुखड़ा, तेरी हर चीज जन्नत है, वो तेरे पैरों भी जन्नत है, तेरे शहरों भी जन्नत है, होश पिछाड़ा एक साथ, तेरे जहरों भी जन्नत है, वो जन्नत है, तेरा मुखड़ा, तेरी हर चीज जन्नत है. Bye bye teacher, thank you, bye bye. Happy Teachers Day. तू ही मेरी दुनिया जहान में, तेरे वजह कौन है मेरा, देखा तेनू ले तो सुबह शाम में, खई तेरे है मेरा चेहरा, है ओ मेरी जान, ना हो परेशान, ना तेरे मेरा सरता नहीं, ए मैया मेरी है वो बेचारों पे सरोरे कुछ मंगता नहीं. बाय बाय टीचर, थैंक यू. नाज़ो टीचर, थैंक यू. My name is Rudwan. My teacher name is Naz teacher. Thin student dance. She is pleased to sing. She helped me in my study. I love and respect Naz teacher. Naz teacher is my first book. Happy Teacher Day. My name is Nurullah. My teacher. Thank you teacher. Bye teacher.
Naz teacher
My teacher
is
is
my
my
best friend.
best friend.
My name is
My name is Chakki
from
from
junior KG.
Junior Stage.
Hi teacher.
My teacher.
Thank you teacher.
Thank Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
My name is
My name is Soleh Ansari.
I am in
I am in
junior KG
Junior KG
MPS.
MPS.
My best teacher. Naz teacher. Thank you. Hasso.
Happy Teacher Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy teacher.
Bye.
Teacher, we love you. Oh teacher, we love you. Bye bye.
Bye, madam.
Bye madam. My teacher is so grateful. I love my teacher. Bye teacher. Sansika Soni. I studied in senior KG. My teacher name is Naz teacher. My school name is Tilak Nagar MPS. Thank you teacher. Thank you teacher. I love you. I love you. You are so nice. You are so nice. You are the best. You are the best. I love you, Naz teacher. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you. Bye bye. Teacher. Hi teacher. My teacher, Naz teacher. I am Nandini Chaudhary. I love you, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. You are so nice, teacher. To all my teacher. Please
Hello everyone. He is my brother Periyarsu and I am his sister. Teacher, the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you show, make you the world best teacher. My lovely Nas teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Hi everybody, this is my mother.
Hi everyone, I am Ashish mother. My name is Shubhangi. Happy Teacher's Day. My favorite teacher name is Nas teacher. She is very kind. She is very grateful for senior section. Happy Teacher's Day. Nas teacher is very beautiful. Bye bye teacher.
Today is Teacher Day. My favorite teacher is Nas teacher. They teach us good manner. Teachers are also our good friend. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you, Nas teacher.
Teacher.
Today is Teacher's Day and my favorite teacher is Nas teacher because she is very grateful for junior section and others. Very wonderful lady. Happy Teacher's Day, Nas teacher. Thank you.
Start.
हाय नाज टीचर, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू फॉर यू। आपने मेरे बेटे को बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेन किया है और वह आज बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियोस बनाता है और प्लस आप बहुत ही अच्छे हार्ड वर्किंग टीचर्स हैं। आपकी वजह से मेरा बेटा पहले बात नहीं कर पाता था, ना अच्छे से बोल पाता था, आज अच्छी एक्टिविटी कर रहा है और वीडियोस बना रहा है। थैंक यू फॉर यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
माय मैंने तो दुआ आज मत तो नेहमी तेरा मैदान दियत सदी शिंगलते थी मैंने नाती तल हैप्पी टीचर डे अशी माय मदर।
आप बहुत हाय टीचर, आप बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा रहे हो। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा बेटा आजकल बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहा है और वो पहले बहुत रोता था लेकिन अभी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता है घर में भी बैठ के। और आपको हैप्पी टीचर डे और स्कूल में सर मैम जो भी है सबको हैप्पी टीचर डे। और सब लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा बेटा बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहा है। बाय।
My name is Ansika Soni. I study in senior KG. My teacher name is Nas teacher. My school name is Tilak Nagar MPS. She is my mother.
हाय टीचर, आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप बहुत अच्छी हैं, मेरी बेटी का अच्छे से ध्यान रखती हैं, मेरी बेटी को अच्छे से पढ़ाती हैं, इसके लिए आपका धन्यवाद।
नाइस टीचर बेस्ट, थैंक यू टीचर। बाय टीचर।
Hi teacher. My name is Ikrar Khan.
माय स्कूल
name is Tilak Nagar MBS.
माय टीचर नेम इज
My teacher name is Nas teacher.
आई लव यू टीचर।
I love you teacher.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Happy teacher day.
शी इज माय मदर।
She is my mother.
हाय टीचर,
हाय टीचर,
आप बहुत अच्छे हो।
आप बहुत अच्छे हो। इकरार का बहुत अच्छे पढ़ा रहे हो।
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
हैप्पी टीचर डे।
Start. Hi teacher, my name is Mantasha Akbar Sayyad. I study in senior KG. My school name is Tinanagar MPS. My teacher name is Nas teacher. This is my brother Mustafa Kaif.
Hi everyone, happy Teachers Day to all. On this special occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to say some lines on Teachers Day. Teachers Day occasion, I would like to thank all the teachers and appreciate all the efforts taken by them for being the support pillars of our life and being such an indispensable part of my life. Thank you to all the teachers and special thanks to Nash teacher. Thank you.
Thank you teacher. Nazo teacher. Thank you. Bye bye.
Teachers Day, I will say some speech on Teachers Day. Teachers play a big role in building the categories of students. They give us knowledge, believe in us and help achieve our dreams. They force on improving the personality of the students and making them a good human beings. They also prepare us to face the challenge in life. Teachers are undoubtedly the backbone of the society. On behalf of all the students, I could like to thank all the teachers for the knowledge, sharp our personality. Thank you, NAS teacher, for all your effort and differentiation. Thank you so much, teacher.